Just into Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group, Downingtown, Pennsylvania. Got this beautiful white 2007 Cadillac DTS. Full-size American luxury, all at a Jeff D'Ambrosio price. It has cooled and heated leather seats. Windows are tinted. Chrome wheels. They're beautiful cars. This is the symbol of American luxury. Again, all at a Jeff D'Ambrosio price. It's got the North Star V8. Dual exhaust in the back. Again, it is a DTS. Full-size Cadillac here at Jeff D'Ambrosio, but not at a full-size price. You want to know what the price is on this one, you just need to give us a call. 484-593-5000. Online, www.gojeffauto.com. Does have memory seats, power windows and locks, upgraded stereo system, auto headlights, automatic transmission. Of course, again, the seats are heated and cooled. It's very warm out today. It'd be nice to be sitting on a nice cold seat. Also, when it gets cold, as it will here, hopefully not for another 6 to 7 months, but it will get cold again, you have heated leather seats. Want to know the price on this one? Just need to give us a call, 484-593-5000. Looking at stock number D10320. Does come with the exclusive lifetime engine warranty. Want to know more about it? 484-593-5000. Online, www.gojeffauto.com. Get you down the road in this 2007 Cadillac DTS.